how to remove the grabber arm from your DTG3. Unscrew the grabber tether from its port at the back of the ROV. Remember to replace it with a port plug from the lid of the ROV case. Loosen the two black thumb screws at the front of the toolless ballast system. Slide the ROV forwards and tip up. You also need to remove the dive plane at the top of the ROV. The dive plane counteracts drag from the grabber, helping the ROV to move smoothly through the water. Use the star-shaped Phillips driver. Removing and replacing one screw at a time helps to prevent lost hardware. Replace the grabber arm by following this process in reverse. Make sure to line up the pins correctly when inserting the grabber tether. Don't forget to replace the dive plane. For more information on ROVs, in-person and online training, visit deeptrekker.com.